Let's make the coleslaw salad. Take 1.5 cups of shredded red cabbage, 1 cup shredded green cabbage, 1 carrot that is grated, and 2 tablespoons of spring onion greens. Add all of these ingredients into a bowl. Mix all of them well. And then keep this aside. Let's make the dressing for the salad. Add around 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise into a bowl. Half teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and finally add in a teaspoon of vinegar. If you have apple cider vinegar, then use that. Mix this well. You can even store the dressing for around a month, but in that case, do not add salt. Vinegar has preservative properties that will help. Now pour the dressing over the coleslaw mix. You can eat it right away or keep it in the refrigerator for an hour or 2. This enables the flavors to mingle and also be absorbed by the cabbages. They soften a little as well. I prefer the latter. Now toss this well. You can serve your salad alongside roasted meat or vegetables, burgers, sandwiches, salads. You can even use it as a stuffing for sandwiches. If you wish, you can have it as it is as well. Whatever suits you. Don't forget to enjoy this easy, creamy, and healthy coleslaw.